What are dreams? When the body gets tired and needs to recharge itself, it shuts down conscious functionality and goes into sleep mode. This allows the body to conserve energy and to regenerate its depleted stores from the previous day's work. In this sense, the body does essentially what a single nerve cell does within the larger neural network. A nerve allows 90% of the electrochemical charge to pass along its myelin sheath, but 10% it keeps behind. Freud attributed consciousness to the occasional hyper-cathexis of this extra 10% of electrochemical transduction, saying that as this charge built up in each neuron before being released, it cumulatively amounted to prototypical sentience. So the body in sleep does not stop this process of hyper-cathexis in the brain, but it does deprive it of external sensory stimulation. In the same way, a fully awake and sober person, after spending some small time in a sensory deprivation tank, will experience waking dreams or audiovisual hallucinations that are largely guided by their own imagination, and also be able to access information the conscious mind may usually overlook, information otherwise buried in the so-called subconscious mind instead. So Freud proposed dreams originate in the subconscious. In other words, while the body is deprived of external sensory stimuli, the awareness of the mind begins to relax and exceed the limitations of its usual confines in the waking world, limitations placed on one's imagination by the conditions of their immediately present situation and the need for basic survival, etc. In this condition of most extreme open-mindedness, it is possible for the quantum supercomputer that is the brain to calculate probabilities it could not otherwise even fathom, and thus dreams are often accurately premonitory